Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz and we have to see which answer is correct after solving it. And here we have four answers 54, 62, 64 and 60. So we will see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall like what are the rules which we can use to solve the given expression. So here are two rules like BODMAS and PEMDAS rule which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. If you see on the screen, like in BODMAS, B stand for the bracket, and in PEMDAS, P stand for parenthesis, which means that if your expression contains any parenthesis or bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part and order of any expression. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division part first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if we are going left to right and it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see in our expression, we are using the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So it means that if your expression contains any parentheses, so we have to solve that part first. So first we will solve this bracket, which is first bracket. So we will solve this one. 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Multiply by and 4 plus 2. We will write as it is right now. And after that, we will give the reference here. 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Now, move forward to solve other bracket, because we cannot solve first the multiplication. We have to solve all brackets. So here we will solve this bracket as well. 12 multiplied by 4 plus 2 equals to 6 minus 10. And we will give reference here. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Now move forward to solve the given expression. We will go now left to right to solve multiplication and division. So first we have this multiplication. So when we will multiply 12 multiplied by 6, so we will get answer is 72. And we will go other things like as it is. And here we will 12 multiplied by 6 equals to 7. Now move forward to solve the remaining two terms, so which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract 72 minus 10, which is equals to 62. 62. So the answer of the given expression is 62. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.